Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Education Hub. Dear friends, as you know that we are studying about these particular words which are followed by appropriate prepositions. We have studied about some of them yesterday. Now let us know about the uses of rest part of it with examples. Conscious of, किसी के प्रति सचेत होना. Hari is fully conscious of his weakness. Careful about, किसी से सावधान रहना या किसी चीज के प्रति सावधान रहना. We should be careful about our health. Congratulate on, किसी को बधाई देना. He congratulated me on my success. Charge against, किसी के विरुद्ध उस पर आरोप लगाना. There is no charge against your brother. Charge with, किसी से आरोपित होना. The police charged your son with theft. पुलिस ने आपके बेटे पर चोरी का आरोप लगाया. Cure of, इलाज. Generally there is no cure of cancer. प्रायः कैंसर का कोई इलाज नहीं है. Died of, मरना. He died of cholera. वह कालरा से के कारण मर गया. Deals in, कार्य करना. He deals in silk goods. Deal with someone, किसी व्यक्ति से व्यवहार करना. It is pleasure to deal with him. Desire for, किसी चीज की इच्छा करना. He has no desire for worldly things. Devotee to, किसी चीज के प्रति समर्पित होना. We should devote ourselves to our country. Differ with, भिन्न होना या मतभेद होना. I differ with you on this subject. Depend on, निर्भर होना. I will depend on you. Different from, किसी चीज से अलग होना. My opinion is different from you. Eligible for, उपयुक्त होना. He is eligible for this post. Expert in, दक्ष या निपुण. He is expert in singing. Envious of, it means ईर्ष्यालु. I am not envious of your promotion. Faithful to, वफादार. We should be faithful to our friends. Feed on, खाकर जीवित रहना. He feeds on rice. Fond of, it means शौकीन. He is fond of music. Full of, भरा हुआ. The glass is full of water. Full with, the eye, it means also भरा हुआ. The eyes of child were filled with tears. Free from, से मुक्त. He is free from worry. Famous for, प्रसिद्ध. Kashmir is famous for its salt. Grateful to someone, कृतज्ञ. I am grateful to him. Guilty of, अपराधी. He is guilty of theft. Hope for, आशा करना. I hope for his grand success. Inferior to, घटिया या खराब. Your table is inferior to my table. Invite to, आमंत्रित करना. He was not invited to dinner. Interest in, रुचि. I am interested in this book. Ignorant of, अनभिज्ञ. My brother is ignorant of this fact. Jealous of, ईर्ष्यालु. He is jealous of my name and fame. Knock at, खटखटाना. Who knocks at the door? Kind to, किसी के प्रति दयालु होना. We should be kind to poor. Key to, कुंजी या रहस्य. Hard work is the key to success. Laugh at, किसी पर हंसना. We should not laugh at others. Listen to, किसी को सुनना. Listen to him. Lead to, को जाना. The road leads to my college. Loiter about, घूमना. Don't loiter about the street. Look at, देखना. Look at the blackboard. Match for, जोड़ा. She is not match for him. Married to, शादी होना. She was married to a doctor's son. Made of, बनी हुई. My ring is made of gold. Necessary for, आवश्यक. Food is necessary for life. Obedient to, आज्ञाकारी. The children should be obedient to their parents. Opposite to, विपरीत या दूसरी ओर. His house is opposite to the college. Occurs to, मस्तिष्क में आना. It did not occur to me. Popular with, लोकप्रिय. Our English teacher is very popular with the students. Pride in means घमंड. She takes pride in her beautiful figure. Proud of, अभिमान करने वाला या घमंडी. He is proud of his wealth. Pleased with, प्रसन्न. The teacher is pleased with him. Prefer to, अधिक पसंद करना. He prefers milk to tea. Quarrel with someone, किसी से झगड़ा करना. We should not quarrel with our neighbors. Related to, संबंधित. I am related to him. Regard for, सम्मान. I have great regard for elders. Reply to, उत्तर देना. She has replied to my letters. Rob of, लूटना या छीनना. The thief robbed him of his money. Rely on, निर्भर रहना. You should not rely on Ravi. Remind of, याद दिलाना. Remind him of his promise. Search for, किसी चीज की तलाश करना. He is searching for his lost book. Suffer from, किसी से पीड़ित होना. He is suffering from fever. Superior to, श्रेष्ठ. Your book is not superior to mine. Sure of, निश्चित. He is sure of his victory in the election. Short of, it means कमी. He is short of funds. Sorry for, दुख और खेद. He is sorry for his rudeness. Sympathy for, सहानुभूति. He has sympathy for poor. Tired of, थकान या उबना. He is tired of waiting. Trembled with, कांपना. The child trembled with fear. True to, सच्चा या पक्का. This young man is true to his words. Talk to, बातचीत करना. He was talking to me. Trust in, विश्वास करना. Trust in God. Taste for, रुचि. She has no taste for music. Useful for, लाभदायक. Regular exercise is useful for health. Wait for, प्रतीक्षा करना. Wait for me at the bus stop. So dear friends, in this video we learned how can we use these types of words in our communication. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Do share the video so others can learn and hit the bell icon to get regular update about the course. If you have any suggestions to related the topic, please write in the comment box, because your opinion encourages us. Thanks for watching.